my dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. So today let me start SST chapter number 18 climate of India यानी कि भारत की जलवायु. Weather is the current condition of the atmosphere in any one place over a short period of time. Climate जो जलवायु होती है वो सबसे मेन होती है किसी भी जगह की हो, ठीक है. So it might be sunny, hot and windy, है ना. कभी सनी होती है, कभी तेज धूप होती है, कभी गर्म होता है, कभी हवा चलती है. तो ये सब क्या है? क्लाइमेट. इन द मॉर्निंग बट इन द इवनिंग इट मे बी क्लाउडी एंड रेनी, है ना. शाम तक होते होते कभी बादल छा जाते हैं, कभी बारिश आ जाती है. देयरफॉर वेदर कैन चेंज फ्रॉम वन टाइम ऑफ द डे टू अनदर और फ्रॉम डे टू डे, ठीक है. क्लाइमेट ऑन द अदर हैंड इज द एवरेज एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन ऑफ अ गिवन एरिया ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड सच एज 30 to 35 years. So the climate of a place could be tropical, temperate or frigid. The climate plays a role in shaping the lives of the people in a variety of ways. Agriculture, crops, foods, habits of people, dress, types of houses and even the festivals depend on the climate, है ना. जो जलवायु है उसी पे सारी चीजें डिपेंड होती है, चाहे हमारा कपड़े पहनना है, हमारा खाना पीना, भारत के त्योहार, सारी चीजें किस पे डिपेंड है? क्लाइमेट पे डिपेंड होती हैं. क्लाइमेट रीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया. There are varieties of climate found in India which differ from place to place. The central and the northern parts of India experience and extreme types of climate. In these regions, the summers are very hot and winters are very cold. But the regions near the sea experience an equable type of climate that is neither not too hot or not too cold. तो जो सी एरिया है ना, जो समुद्री इलाके हैं, जो समुद्री एरिया हैं, वहां पे क्या होता है? वहां पे ना तो सर्दी होती है ज्यादा ना गर्मी. गर्मी तो होती है जनवरी दिसंबर जैन में नॉर्मल गर्मी होती है जैसे यहाँ होती है. बाकी जो गर्मी का मौसम होता है वो बहुत ही हॉट होता है वहाँ पे, ठीक है. तो जो समुद्री इलाके हैं वहां पे, सो इन दीज रीजन समर्स आर नॉट वेरी हॉट and the winters are not very cold. The areas having high altitude experience very cold climate. The Tropic of Cancer runs through the middle of India. तो जब वो रेखा जो है भारत के बीच से होके गुजरती है ना, तो the northern part of India is the subtropical zone and the southern part is in the tropical zone. Despite the regional variations, the monsoons and the Himalayas give a climatic unity to India. So, in the case of India, some local factors also play a significant role to give the climate of India a tropical touch. These factors are jet streams. What is the jet streams? Let's talk about this. These are air currents blowing in a narrow zone over the northern plains in winter. ठीक है ना. The jet streams create a low pressure zone in northern India. We know that air moves from high pressure to low pressure areas. The winds blowing over the Indian Oceans rush toward the northern plains in summer and are known as northwestern monsoon winds. अब आपने देखा होगा कि पहाड़ों पे जब बर्फ पड़ती है वहां पे जब स्नोफॉल होता है तो वो स्नोफॉल हो गया. स्नोफॉल होने के बाद जब वो पिघलती है ना, पिघलने के बाद जो ठंडी हवाएं चलती है वो क्या होता है? पहाड़ों से फिर वो हवाएं मैदानी इलाकों में आती है. तो क्या होता है? यहाँ पे ठंड बढ़ जाती है ना. सर्दियों में आप देखना, सर्दियों में ठिठुरती मतलब इतनी हवा चलती क्योंकि स्नोफॉल होता है और जब वो सूरज निकलता है वो बर्फ पिघलती है. उस बर्फ के पिघलने के साथ साथ जो ठंडी हवाएं चलती हैं वो मैदानी इलाकों में होती है और यहाँ ठंड ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. Next one, the Himalayas. In winter, the icy cold winds coming from Central Asia as stopped by the Himalayas, है ना. Thus, Himalayas act as a climate barrier on our northern boundary. तो किसका काम कर रहा है? वो climate barrier का काम कर रहा है. They neither allow the monsoon winds to leave the region nor the cold polar winds blowing from the north to enter the Indian subcontinent. These cold winds are dry. If they enter the Indian subcontinent, they would turn the whole region into a dry desert. Relief controls the temperature to a large extent. The significance of relief is especially seen in two aspects of the topography, altitude and direction of mountain range. Temperature plays a significant role in respect of altitude. Temperature decreases with altitude. Hill stations like Shimla, Darjeeling and Nainital are cooler than the plains below. Ooty, है ना, Udgamandalam, which lies in the tropical region in the Nilgiris in South India, is also cooler than the land below. कौन सा एरिया? ऊटी. So the triangular shape of peninsula India splits the monsoon winds into two branches, the Bay of Bengal branch and the Arabian Sea branch. Western Ghat being in north-south direction and comparatively higher cause the Arabian Sea branch to shed their moisture on the western slopes before moving on. So the Aravallis are not high enough to check the flow of these winds and cause precipitations to these winds move directly towards the north, leaving western Rajasthan dry. तो जो हवा चलती है ना अरावली पहाड़ियों से होती, तो ये उसको राजस्थान कैसी गर्म और सूखी हवाएं चलती हैं, तो पूरे राजस्थान को वो सुखा देती हैं, इसलिए वहां पर गर्मी ज्यादा है. Distance from the sea. The climate of the region is very much affected by its distance from the sea. Therefore, the places on the sea coast such as Karnataka, Odisha and Gujarat have equatable climate. Equatable climate is characterized by the midsummer and midwinter. There is also little difference in day and night temperatures. It is because cool breezes coming off the oceans keep the land temperature at moderate level in summer, while the warm onshore breezes in winter keep the temperature mild. Seasonal reversal. The rotation of the earth deflects the wind in the northern hemisphere from northwest to northeast direction, but in the southern hemisphere, the winds move in southeast directions. Wind move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retreating monsoons. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. The seas and the Indian Ocean play an important part in this reversal. So, cycles of season. अब उसका मौसम का चक्र कैसे चलता है? India has 4 major seasons that follow a sequence to form an annual cycle. They are winter, summer, rainy season and retreating monsoon season. These seasons are repeated year after year and are hence called the cycle of season. So, number 1, winter, December से लेके कब तक? February तक. Winter season begins in mid-November in India. It becomes well established in December and lasts till February. The temperature remains very low. Some parts of North India experience extreme cold. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly on the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. North India में क्या हो जाता है? Temperature low हो जाता है. January is the coldest month, when the day temperature at times drop to 10 degrees Celsius in several parts of the country. At this time, the cold wind blows in the North India. At the same time, South India experiences moderate climates as the temperature is around 20 degrees Celsius. Summer, मार्च से लेके मई तक नहीं होता, लेकिन जून में भी गर्मी होती है, जुलाई में भी गर्मी होती है, इवन अगस्त में भी गर्मी होती है. In the hot season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Temperature becomes very high. बहुत high temperature हो जाता है ना, तो hot and dry dust laden winds called loo. क्या बोलते हैं उनको? जो गर्म हवाएं चलती हैं, loo बोलते हैं. Blow during the day. Highest day temperature in March is about 38 degrees Celsius in the Deccan Plateau. This temperature goes in increasing as the heat belt shift to the north over Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. The hot, dry, dust-laden day windows blow in the afternoons in the northwest, Delhi, western Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. They often continue up to midnight for even beyond. Rainy season, June to September. During the rainy season, the southwest monsoon will blow northwards into branches from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. They provide rainfall to the whole of northern India. The winds blow from the oceanic. है ना, रेनी सीजन जब बारिश का मौसम आता है और फिर वो लगातार कितना, जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर 4 मंथ लगातार बारिश होती है. फिर high pressure areas of the land provide heavy rainfall. The chief characteristics of the season is that over 90% of the total annual rainfall in India is received during these months. The rainfall or even the duration of the rainy season is not equally distributed over the whole of India, while Kerala on the west coast is the first to receive monsoon. सबसे पहले कहाँ पे आता है monsoon? केरला में, केरल में आता है, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ता है. Monsoon rains, it is also the last. The duration of the rainy season decreases from south to north and from east to west. In the extreme northwest, the rainy season barely lasts 2 months. The triangular shape of peninsular India divides the monsoon winds into 2 branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal, Bengal ki khadi. These 2 branches of the southwest monsoon cause rainfall over most parts of इंडिया. किनकी वजह से? इन 2 की वजह से. रिट्रीटिंग मॉनसून यानी कि अक्टूबर टू नवंबर. October and November are the 2 months known for the retreating monsoon. The southwest monsoon retreat to withdraws from northern India. Slowly, it is a period of change from the hot cold weather to cold dry weather. Cyclones originate in the Bay of Bengal and cause damage to life and property in the eastern coast of India. That retreating monsoon moves from the northeast and pick up fresh moisture from the Bay of Bengal and provide rainfall in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the only state which receives rainfall during this season. Chief characteristics of monsoon. After the scorching heat of summer, people all over the country eagerly await the arrival of monsoon. है ना, जब गर्मी से त्रस्त हो जाते हैं लोग तो किसका? बारिश का इंतजार करते हैं ना, monsoon का. The amount of rainfall varies from season to season and from place to place. The distribution of rainfall is controlled by the direction of the rain-bearing winds and the relief of the land. We get bulk of the rainfall due to the southwest monsoons, as the southwest monsoons blow from sea to land. It causes a lot of rain in all the areas coming in its path. There is a gradual decrease in rainfall from west and east coast to the interior parts in peninsular India. In the north, the rainfall decreases from east to west. The western parts of the Western Ghat receive heavy rains. At the same time, the eastern parts fall in the rain shadow region. In the same way, the Shillong Plateau and the Brahmaputra Valley get heavy rainfall from the Bay of Bengal, branch of the southwest monsoon. Mawsimram in Meghalaya receives the heaviest rainfall to the world. So, the monsoons can something be erratic in behavior. There are breaks caused by the time taken for developing pressures on the land. Sometimes they fall to bring adequate rainfall. This causes drought, which is more common in the interior states like Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. At times, more than normal rainfall for a prolonged period may cause floods. अगर जरूरत से ज्यादा बारिश हो जाती है तो क्या आ जाता है, जगह जगह बाढ़ आ जाती है, और जरूरत से कम बारिश पड़े तो सूखा आ जाता है. Thus, the distribution of rainfall is highly uneven. So, this is the climate of India. All topics are covered here. I hope you all are very well enjoyed and understood this chapter. So, we will see next class. Thank you.